everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change your profile's name on Peacock TV. To change your profile's name on Peacock TV, first of all launch open a web browser. Go to the URL box and type in peacocktv.com and search. Make sure that you're logged into your Peacock TV account as well, and once you're inside, click on the profile avatar at the top right hand corner from the home page. This will take you to your profile page where you can select different profiles. To change the name of your profile, select the profile you want to change the name for and then click on the little pencil icon. This will take you to edit your profile section for the chosen profile. Scroll down and get to the name option. Enter the new name for your profile. And then after you are done, click on save. Soon after you do that, your profile name will be changed. So that's how you easily do it. You can repeat this step for every other profile you want to change the name for. And that's it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.